All right, it's time to kick off this Thursday morning. And what a Thursday it's going to be. So we've got two big headlines that are moving markets today. So yesterday we talked about the Fed policy meeting that was going to take place. Well, Fed Chairman Powell comes out yesterday, says that the Fed's going to stay the course. They don't see any change to interest rates, so they're going to stay down around zero. They don't see any change to the fiscal stimulus measures that they put in place back in March to ward off the negative impact from this pandemic. They're going to keep everything rocking at least until 2022. So no change expected right now. You also had news come out yesterday, and this is probably the first time we've had negative news in a few weeks here with regards to COVID-19 as far as negative news impacting the markets, that there could be a second wave of viruses popping up in Florida and Texas as they've started to reopen their economies. Now, all this news, you take that into account, and it's put some serious pressure on these markets. We've got the Dow down over 600. We've got S&Ps down over 60. We've got oil down 4% right now, back at $38 a barrel in WTI. We're starting to see the dollar rally and weakness in some of those high beta currencies like the Aussie. We're seeing some weakness in the euro and weakness in the pound as we head into the open today. So that's a 2% move in the broader market when you talk about the Dow and the S&P. So these are big moves. There's a lot of pressure on these markets and a lot of volatility. We've got that VIX. We haven't talked about the VIX for a couple weeks now. We've got the VIX creeping up north of 30 again. So volatility's back. These markets are shaking this morning. There's going to be a lot going on. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow, and we'll keep you updated on Facebook and Twitter throughout the day today as more news breaks. Everybody have a good one. Stay safe, stay healthy, do something nice for someone, and we'll talk soon.